Hello, good day. My name is THARUN. I'm from BLR section 1/1. I'll be explaining today how to do transfer function, derive the equation from the transfer function to do dot plot. Okay. As you can see here, is the transfer function given 50 j omega over j omega plus 4 j omega plus 10 square. So from here we will try to eliminate off the 4 and the 10. Okay, by multiplying with 4 over 4. Once you multiply 4 over 4, we will eliminate the number 4. Okay, on the other side, when we multiply with 10 over 10, we will eliminate number 10, okay, from the equation. So once we multiply with 4 over 4, we will get j omega over 4 plus 1, because 4 over 4 it becomes 1, and we will still have the 4 over here. And on the other side, we'll be having j omega over 10 plus 1, okay, square, and open bracket 10 square. So once we get this equation, we will multiply the 10 and the 4 together. Okay, we'll have 10 times 4 is 40. Then 10 square times 4 is 400 lah. So 400 over 50. So 50 over 400. If you multiply it and you simplify, you'll get 1 over 8. So after you get 1 over 8, the 1 over 8 will come on top. Okay. So 1 over 8 times j omega, and on the bottom we'll have j omega over 4 plus 1 and j omega over 10 plus 1 square. So this is the equation for the transfer function given. Now we'll go to the graph. The graph will be explained by JAYARAJAN.
Yeah, well, I'm JAYARAJAN here from BLR session 1-2. Just here, I want to explain how we go transfer function to the block plot. So first, the formula is 0.125 j omega over 4 plus 1, then j omega 4 over 10 plus 1 square. It means the first 0.125 is we value like a gain, then j omega is 0 at origin, and the downwards j omega 4 plus 1 is equal to 0 at omega 4, and another one is double pole at omega 10 because of that is got square 2. So from this graph, we can draw the 0.1. The first on the gain is 0.125. The formula is 20 log 0.125. Then we will get the negative 18 dB. So our gain line is from have to draw like start from negative 18 dB until the 100. So then the second one is j omega. So from here we can note that j omega is they're starting from 0 at origin plus 20 dB per decade. So from here we can draw the line from 0 until 1. Then when we see the per decade, so it's times by 10 is equal to 10. So 10 times 10 equal to that. Then the positive 20 dB, then we just mark at the 20 dB. Then we draw the long line until the 1. Then we just drop the line until the negative 20 dB. So that's all for the 0 at origin line. So whenever we see for the down one, that means the simple pole at omega 4. That means j omega over 4 plus 1. So same goes here. We start the line from the 0 to 4. We just like mark at here. Then we put another mark at 40 because so it means 4 times 10. It's just put the mark at the 40. Then same goes there. You just drag the line from 4 until the 40. It means the negative 20 dB because the pole is equal to negative 20 dB per decade. So we just draw the line until the down. Then when we go look for the j omega over 10 plus 1 square means, so we can see here, so because of double, so it's normally it's a negative 20 dB. Because of double, we can do like the negative 40 dB. So just same, you just do the 0 until the 10, then per decade, so it's 10 times 10 equals to 100. Then we just put the until the negative 40 dB because of square 2. They'll just draw the line lah. So from here we can do the normal line because from the calculation. So whenever, so now we are going to see the critical point. The critical point is the starting from the, we can see the 0.1, 1, 4, 10, and 100. So that are the points where we go to draw the critical line. First, we can see the 0.1. So the 0.1, we can see the how many lines that cross from the 0.1. So from here, we can see the negative 20 dB and the 18 dB and 0. So that are the crossing line from 0.1. So whenever we get plus, we get it negative 38 dB. So we just mark it as negative 30 dB at 0.1. Then after that, we can see the at 0.1. So whenever you get to the 0.1, so we can see that they got a negative 18 dB and 0. So whenever we plus that, so we're going to get negative 18 dB. Then when you go for the 0.4, so same lah. We just see the how many lines across from the point every point. So from there we can see it. You can see the 18 negative 18 dB. Then got to go to 0, and somehow we can get to 12. We can see the j omega line. So we can see the whenever we calculate it because of 2 to 12. So there's some from there we can get negative 6 dB. So in point 10 we can see the negative 80 dB, negative 8, then 0, then 20. So also we got the negative 6 dB from the large 100. So we can get 46 dB lah. So that's all the points for the critical line. If we just then connect the all line, we finally get a final line from this graph. So that's all for my calculation for me and my THARUN. So that's all. So now I'm going to give to Zamil to present the slide. Thank you.
All right. Okay, this part, part F, which means given what plot. So my name is MUZAMMIL from BLI12. So I will explain about, first we start with in. Okay, we can see the starting, the graph given plot, which means a 0 at origin with a slope plus 20 dB per decade, which means our logs k equal to 1. Okay, and then next we can see that next was a 0 at origin with a slope plus 20 dB 1 per decade, which means at omega 1 radian per second JW. So we can see from the dot plot omega 1 going up, which means plus 20 dB per decade. Okay, so next part was a pool with a slope, which means negative 20 dB per decade. We can see it here that at W 10 radian per second, which means the slope. Okay, we can see that 1 over 1 plus j omega over 10 for the pool at slope, negative 20 dB per decade. All right, so I will pass to Satthia for the next explanation.
Hi, madam. My name is Satthia from BLR S1/1. I'm going to explain how to derive plot function to transfer function. So as we can see, the function is j omega over 1 plus j omega over 10, 1 plus j omega over 50. So firstly, to eliminate the j omega over 10, the over 10, so we need to times with 10 over 10, and same goes to j omega over 50. We need to times with 50 over 50. So the next step is we times the power 10 inside our 1 plus j omega over 10. So we can eliminate the over 10, and we need to times the 10 to the 1. So the result we will get j omega over 10 plus j omega times 50 plus j omega times with 1 over 500. So now we can substitute the over 1 over 500 we can bring it up there, so it will become 500 j omega over 10 plus j omega 50 plus j omega, and finally we can substitute the j omega in as slope. That's all from Ms. Madam. Thank you.